No way! Oh my god, I think Buddy came first!
And in first place, we take the medal to number 5. 8-5. Ollie Edwards.
Good morning, world. It's Tuesday morning. It is, what the fucking day is it? Wait for my Fitbit to tell me. 11th of May. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, 10 past 5. Slept like shit. Been up since like what feels like about 3 o'clock in the morning. As you can tell by the state of me. But let's start our day. Let me take you through my day. Okay, so this is meal number 1. I've got my massive bucket of coffee because of course I didn't sleep at all. Although Yvonne and I have discovered why it might be. So I think it's because I'm not having any carbs in my last meal. Purely because I prefer eating my carbs early in the day. That's literally it. There's no other reason for it. I'm hungry early in the day. I'm not that hungry in the evening. So made sense. But I'm going to put some carbs in for my last meal of the day. But yeah, anyway, so a bucket of coffee. And then here, I'm just going to tip it over. Not really. I've got yogurt, berries, and cinnamon, and some protein powder. Let's get this in the system. So, I've now been working for a couple of hours. It's like 20 past 7. So I've done an hour and a half of session preps. I've got 5 sessions to prepare today, for both today and tomorrow, therapy sessions that is. So I've just been working through that, finishing the last like bits and bobs and whatnot, and now it's time to finish making my pre-workout meal. So as you can see here, it's absolute minging mess. It looks disgusting, but it's so good. Is my cream of rice. I prepared this earlier because actually, if I found that if I let it sit and then I'd protein to it later, it's just got much nicer texture, just a lot more cakey, I suppose. So yeah, I'm just going to finish that, have my pre-workout meal, and continue working, and then we will be heading out to the gym at 9. Also this, top tier peanut butter, fucking banging. So here we have it, pre-workout meal, cream of rice, peanut butter, berries, and a coffee. Chin chin motherfucker. Right, so I just had my pre-workout shake. I use the complete strength Previe. And we're gonna make an intro workout. Which, yeah, my intro workout, I'm having 20 grams of carbs, highly branched cyclodextrin, 10 grams of EAAs, untracked. So I do track the carbs, but I don't track the EAAs. And 5 grams of creatine. And then that is us. It is right now just before 9. So, fucking hell. So yeah, just before 9. Start training at 9:30. So yeah, it's usually about like 2 hours-ish between my meal 2 and obviously my intra carbs, and then my next meal is my post-workout meal. So like it kind of is like a feeding definition definitely keeps me going. I never used to like to drink any carbs or like my food, but I found it really helps with performance, so that ain't wrong. Upper is done. I'm fucking starving. Didn't get any footage because it is like in the leisure centre gym and it's like frowned upon. Probably get chucked out or banned from the gym if I was to be seen recording in case I was like spying on other people. But yeah, no, it was a really good session. Smashed it! Got some rep PBs, no weight PBs, but really happy. Oh, time to finish my steps, get home, make some food. We're gonna nap because I'm fucked. Here we go. Post-workout meal. My favourite thing about being self-employed is being able to take a nap after a shit sleep. I've arisen from the dead. I think I would have lunch and then work. And then I've got a team meeting and then I'll be doing some cardio and that'll be us for the day. Oh, fuck. Knackered. Right, so for lunch I am making veggies with vegan chicken and some bread. This is meal 4 and it's probably going to be eating it at like 2 o'clock by the time it's cooked, and then my last meal will probably be around like 5:30. I do like eating quite early because I go to bed really early. That is the main reason I don't like going to bed feeling really full. And yeah, it's just like colourful. Let me show you a close up. So it is now just before 5. I'm having my last meal of the day, which is oats and protein. I wasn't going to be having this. I was going to be having a normal dinner, but had a bit of a shitstorm afternoon and I felt like I need some soul food just now. I was going to get much work at all done this afternoon because I was just feeling a bit shit, so I'm going to be working until later today. Not ideal, but hey, I need to mask. I've got a meeting with the boys just now, so I will catch up with everyone later. So it's now 6:15, meeting finished. I have finished prepping another client session. I've just got one more therapy session for tomorrow to plan and some notes to write up, and then we will have cardio to do. So I've just got 20 minutes. I've been telling my idea of like whether to do it today or Saturday, but I really can't be fucked in cardio on a Saturday, and I really like routine and I like doing things when I say that I'm going to do them, because then I put up a post about this the other day in terms of like making sure that even in your off season, like you're showing up and you're ticking the boxes and you're not waiting till prep to put all those routines into place and to start kind of like really working on your goals. Like I think it's really important to establish those just routines and those habits in your off season or now, which is for me like a maintenance phase. So bash out cardio and then finally get to bed tomorrow. Oh my goodness, I have been dreading tomorrow, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be a mental day, but focus. I'm hoping I can sleep well tonight. I did nap, but I'm tired enough that I'll just meditate, snort some calm. Just kidding. And hopefully get a good night's sleep, please. And so yeah, I'm just gonna shut the fuck up, get to work, and enjoy my tea. This is a vanilla chai, just to keep me hydrated before I do my cardio. Catch you later. This is the last fucking thing I want to do right now. I'm gonna say. Cardio smashed. Just chucked on the music. Got on with it. Going down just now. Oh my days. Oh my god, I'm so grateful to be in bed early after such an intense day emotionally. They started off well. I mean, obviously, like, I was shattered already, right? And like, my period is due in a couple of days, so I'm already emotionally vulnerable, let's put it that way. And yeah, started off okay, had a good morning, was really productive with work, had an amazing session at the gym, like, got back, blah blah, and then obviously napped, woke up, and then I got a message. So down here in the borders, like, there's not that many gyms, so I joined like the kind of like local leisure center, but there's a bodybuilding gym here, and I've been wanting to join this gym since like we knew that we were buying a house here, like since November. At the time they still had like a waiting list, and I was like, okay, no worries. And then obviously like lockdown happened, and anyway, they had just started opening up spaces for new members, and I was, oh my goodness, I was so excited to be able to join. But anyway, I just got a message today saying that unfortunately they can't take me on at the moment, just because of like a conflict of interest, because I'm a coach too, and they're obviously just kind of like wanting to build their business up like first and make sure like their coaches are taken care of, and that I suppose that other like potential coaches don't take clients away, which I totally understand. I am absolutely gutted though, like I am so genuinely like so sad, because I was so looking forward to joining. Like, honestly, I'm so fucking gutted. Oh, I'm really hoping this is that they might have like an open day where like I can maybe go in and like introduce myself and like kind of, yeah, make it clear that I just want to train. Like, I was just really looking forward to, obviously like we've moved on to the borders, like I don't know anybody here, or I don't know many people here, should I say, and I was just really looking forward to being able to join a bodybuilding gym and like be part of a community, or like be surrounded by people who kind of have the same goals and mindset as I do, because that's like totally the type of gym that it is. So yeah, I feel absolutely gutted. Obviously I'm so freaking grateful that there's a gym here that I can train at. You know, I've got level 10 that I can train at twice a week. It's just obviously like a bit of a pain kind of having to get the train up there for now, and then once I get my license, like I'll be able to drive there. It's more just like when I'm on prep, like that's a 40-minute drive there and a 40-minute drive back, which is fine, but like do you know what I mean, like you just get it done, you don't think about it twice. But oh yeah, I'm really sad. I'm really sad, I'm not gonna lie. But hey, hopefully I'll be able to join eventually once they like get full, and once the business is back and running. Obviously like COVID has just been a fucking devastating. So yeah, that is the hope. But for now I am going to read. I'm reading Chasing the Scream by Jim and Harry. Let me pull this book. Oh god, sorry, my fingers on the camera lens. Yeah, Chasing the Scream. I started the book off, but then I was like not just in the mood. So I read The Body Keeps a Score. Well, that was rude, my camera cut me off. I was saying that I started reading the book and I was just not getting into it. So I read The Body Keeps a Score by Bessel van der Kolk, I think his name is. Anyway, by far one of the best books I have read, like in a very long time. Just incredible overall. But yeah, really enjoying this book now. I've not been able to properly read a lot this weekend, so that's the goal for now. Chill, read, pray for some good sleep, and tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's a fucking manic day. I am kind of dreading it, but also looking forward to it, but also kind of dreading it. So anyway, thank you for watching the vlog. As always, I'm super grateful. I hope you enjoy these kinds of like follow me around for a day type of vlog. Yeah, anyway, I'll leave it here. I hope you enjoy my gorgeous blue light blocker glasses. But anyway, I'll stop talking, I'll get reading. Make sure you give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Comment down below with any suggestions of what you'd like to see, and I'll catch everyone in the next vlog. Bye.